Simple one-day weight loss meal plan. You don't need expensive diets or starvation to lose weight. Today I will show you a simple one-day meal plan that's balanced, filling and easy to follow. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs, 1 slice whole wheat toast, unsweetened green tea or black coffee. Protein helps keep you full while fiber from the apple supports healthy digestion. Lunch: grilled chicken breast or tofu for vegetarians, 1 cup brown rice, mixed vegetable, broccoli, carrot, cucumber or salad. This meal provides lean protein, complex carbohydrates and plenty of vitamins. Healthy snack: a handful of almonds, 1 small bowl of plain Greek yogurt unsweetened. This protein-rich snack helps control hunger, supports muscle health, and can reduce the urge to overeat before dinner. Dinner: grilled fish or chicken, steamed vegetable, small sweet potato. A light protein-rich dinner helps you stay satisfied without eating too many calories. Remember, no single meal plan works for everyone. Choose nutritious food, watch your portions, stay active and drink enough water. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to The Food Book and tell me in the comments which meal you will try first. See you in the next.